When we're feeling directionless, empty or unhappy, it's often because we have a lack of clarity about 3 big soul things. Not knowing who you are, not knowing what your purpose is, and not knowing where you're heading in your life. And if we're missing these 3 things, it's no wonder we end up feeling directionless and empty. And it's okay, I've been there myself and resolved it, and I've spent many years helping other clients to resolve it too. So here are 3 sets of journal prompts that you can use right now. Number 1, to know your authentic soul self. Write down what, who, and where truly matters to you. What, when, where, and how do you feel most at home inside yourself? And what are your consistent heart-led values? 2, to uncover your purpose, write down where do your passions, inspirations, and intuition point you? And if you could be, do, and contribute anything in this world and you were not afraid, what might that be? And 3, to reveal a new soulful vision for your life, answer this. What kind of life design or lifestyle most inspires you? And when you let yourself daydream, what do you imagine and dream having, being, and doing? When we ask soulful, wise questions, we get soulful, wise answers to guide our path forward.